Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to use some items that I already had throughout the home to create some cool and fun toddler activities. I have some Play-Doh, I have some yellow Play-Doh and some pink Play-Doh. I have some colored popsicle sticks. I have some cool silly straws. And these are just sticks that I found in the home in my arts and craft bin. And these here are actual shower, I totally forgot what these are called, but this is what you hang your shower curtains with. I forgot what they're called, but if you know what they're called, comment in the description below. But I totally forgot what these are called. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Play-Doh and we're just gonna make a ball, and then we're gonna put these straws through them. We're gonna put these sticks through them. We're gonna put these popsicle sticks through them, and we're just gonna take these and place it over each one. Toddlers love this. And what I realized is things that may come across really simple to us as adults are very, very exciting for toddlers. So let me show you how it looks. So here we go. All I did was take some of that Play-Doh, roll it up in a ball, and stick these straws through them. And all the kids would have to do is get this here and just put it through. And they find this so exciting. Oh my goodness, they find this so exciting. See? And the goal is to get it all the way down. Or you can just put it in a bend. And that's it. So what you can do with this, you can have them count it as they put each one on. So that's one activity. Here's another. So here's another one. I just took these straws out of the Play-Doh and I put the sticks and the popsicle sticks in there. And again, all they're going to do is put it through. Just put it through. Just put it through. And again, they find this so fun. I would say with the silly straws, just have them put it through, because having the bends and curves within the straw will make it fun. But maybe using these two, you would put the number of straws, the number of sticks or popsicle sticks to coordinate with the number of rings that you have. Shower rings, that's what they're called. These are called shower rings. Okay, sorry. So we would go 1, 2, 3. 3 shower rings. Okay, and on this one, since we have 4, we would go 1 on the green popsicle stick, 2 on the yellow popsicle stick, 3 on the orange popsicle stick, 4 on the red popsicle stick. So you see, with just a little bit of imagination here, we have Play-Doh, dollar store. We have these popsicle sticks, dollar store. We have the shower rings, dollar store. And we have these silly straws here, dollar store. And all of these items can be used multiple times to do multiple activities. So just now, we just did a really cool fun activity with the straws. Let them see if they can get through the bends and curves. We use this just as counters for our numbers. You would put the number of sticks that you have to correspond with the number of rings. And of course, you can make this much wider to accommodate a larger number of sticks. And then for this one, since our popsicle sticks are color coded, as they put each ring through it, they would tell you the color. So there you go. 3 activities for your toddler. I would say age appropriate for 1 year old to 3 years old. The best part of this activity is letting them take the the Play-Doh outside of its container, having them roll it up themselves in a ball, and have them stick these objects in the dough. So that's also something they look forward to. All right, I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel,